America Crane, a yadia nipa dodono eka, says Enkebeya, and Shishaya, a daddy siam, a beya, and Kiensisem. Nami wo hoju medie so enne, ye tu kwan akoshe, e kwan a ne faso a ne esua de e wo mem. Se wo hwe ya disua enhyehyɛ ya, e yade a etwa ne ho a, efi bra omen enya afa hodi. Owura Felix Esahia no, oye kyerɛkyerɛ ni mapa. Na wakwawire ewo adesua ene ehon hyehyɛ nsem. Ansa ye ba behu dia enne, ye friend JHS system anase junior high school system. Na eyade a ye ko school emfi edunson esua dia fi ntotofe wa brem kopem se ye bepiem edi nkunim na yakotoa so ewo esuapon.
Because we go and we became Ghana no. Yeah, educational system nankasa no, especially pre-tertiary education no. We have gone through your core system, your experiments be free. And then you say, near educational system, a bit of year my near say, way near between the status to say the permanent educational system we want to have for a nation, particularly pre-tertiary education. Ain't educational history in 1951. Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, at that time he was leader of government business. Only me say, yeah, perfect. No, Mr. Baomis, no, a struggle, no, a year doing pen ponsunti. Or establishing near a friend accelerated development plan of education, ADP in 1951. Sabrino, Oma, Yebwe, schools, in a secondary schools and basic schools, be brave. He said, he knew, no, him say, Abrofonokwa, we have to take over from them. Those days, you know, we middle school. You can get a job. You can get an administrative job. Now we are secondary school so now and it was almost the ultimate because now university here. So I break ground up in University of Ghana 48 University of Ghana now. The internet just said the focus was to make sure say the schools be free. Into this accelerated development plan of education in by.
Emri ena ne say ewo bra na yemfa esuapon adesua enka. Owura Samuel Ofori Eje, oye headmaster ewo Accra Academy Senior High School ewo Enkran Pumpuni Mantem. Ono nso ede yemfa mu dia efa adesua ensem.
Samre no na udi emfie num ekomfie nsia. Oko efitiase school a profokase mu yeka no primary school. Obekwa kodi emfie nsia wo honom. Ofi honom a na walk in near friend in middle school. Caneno, who you are your friend San 7, and no A and Fear 9. Ain't you the Efiencia, Edica and Fear 9 or if it is school, nay, and fear do. Who you are, who come to us school, a hodo, bay me no commiance, Barcoy near friend secondary school, and we in Fienum, a big technical school. Na yemfie 9 ebiko commercial school ebinso yemfie 9 yemfie miensa na sa woto aso fa secondary school no modia wo yemfie no mo ne wia o san akọ emfie mienu a yefre no advanced level emfie no mo no ede wo koye nsohwe a yefre no ordinary level enti wo wie sa emfie no mo na wakoye emfie mienu a ye yefre no advanced level enti wo wie no nso a na fe ekwan bia which may call the universities a whole. What went to me ampasi and answer was say open the manufacture baby a bit me call training colleges, a bit me call the friend of professional courses in a bit me call a soldier for minimum formers form 5 for a bit me a good soldier, a big police, any in my hodo.
Owura Felix enso tronebo ekyerɛkyerɛ yi sɛdeɛ adesua sɛm no na esitie wɔ tetebrenim bra ne ɛyɛ O level ɛne A level ebesi abɛɛfudie mu saa ehwehwɛmu yi ɛhyɛ aseɛ na ɛtoa so efi bra na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah nia odi kan gye ɔman yi efi English abrɔfo ensɛm edisi hɔ ɛbrɛ so bra na ɔde educational accelerated development plan nhyehyɛ no na odi di dwuma
yɛhwɛ education system a ɛbɛboa yɛn ne akasa afei deɛ ɛnyɛ education system a yɛpɛ ti dwobɔ deɛ no so baeɛ no 1970 for Jobo Education Review Committee no ono so hwes hu se see the JHS into ono the comprehensive junior secondary school by
eno we mfie nsia no e wo primary school ene e bi no ko preparatory school e bi no ko aban school a engrofo friend saito no mi hu ni ntia e friend sa enfaso bi ene so edin no ene se nipa na ye mfie nsia wa ye krado a oko ni friend JHS enti oko JHS no so eno so ye mfie miensa enti se ohwemu a kane no ka ubeko primary school mfie nsia na wako senior middle school mfie 9 enti wo de ka ho a eye mfie edu ansa na watimi akọ secondary school sese de uwie mfie nsia na obeye mfie miensa de ka ho a mfie nkono watimi ko senior high school enti kane no unyini ye kra ese wudi be mfie dunum ansa na watimi akọ senior high school enti ema mfie dodo a mmofra no edi fi primary school efa JSS eko secondary school no eswati kakra echin se emra na yewo tete ekwana yefaso ediko secondary school no ena sisi so ba senior high school na eye nia shase pa no senior secondary school no started 1990 if say JHS no started 87 emo ye mfie miensa in 1990 and you started senior secondary school so I'm running for an SSS and also actually a senior high school then another friend senior high school SHS and also okoko yemfie miensa it is Mekaipa one year kind a year senior secondary school so no more in 1993 first batch in AVA 1993 eti ema sa enfie dodo a odiko school ewo mfitiase eni mfimfin school na nsa na wawura university no esotie
Audio Jungle.
So education system pan there anka O level A level no for pre-tertiary that was the best. That was the best. If you say O level no, O secondary school, they say 5 years into. First year, musia subjects ni nyina. Ebini is because usia English, usia mathematics, usia social studies, usia integrated science, usia Greek. Usia P is part because also a training body and usia cultural studies all subjects na is a current core subjects no usia all the subjects on a timetable into science subjects of usia na broad based education and usia ni nyina wi a all subjects are all curriculum no so na fe what we third year no na headmaster or the headmaster of the school no wa show performance no wa say asemasi ne modern board science integrated science in a mathematics in a bia computer sabre no na fe ICT na fe na neighbor in the modern board was he or she will be suited for science na amount science program to read who read the science program now when I could read physics chemistry biology. Subjects na near training na cognitive here subject a yechire wa obekai na wade aye adwuma say English mathematics is indispensable in conta brofo sabe near chire social studies and cultural studies mu nyina no nia efa a obetima ehu na yebisa wa ba na make an say na bibi de say insanu dwuma de it was down play the kwapon yes set is our committee no 1966 kwapon review committee no ohun say there be secondary schools na ɛwɔ hɔ na nkɔfoɔ kɔ no nyinaa yɛ grammar type of secondary schools no nso ebi nso nya kwan nkɔ secondary schools no nti ɔno na ɔde continuation schools by
ɛni kasɛm a ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ saa adane ne nhyehyɛe nyinaa ne yɛde gu akwan mu no yɛde gu akwan mu deɛ na mmom adeɛ a na ɛhia titiri paa no ɛnom no yɛyi esi nkyɛn anaasɛ ebi a na yɛwerɛ fi yɛn ho ebu yɛni egu so
workshops ɛsɛ junior secondary school pia now so 1987 aban na ɛwɔ so saa mmerɛ no introduce yɛ no ɔka sɛ yɛsi yɛ twɛn na yɛsisi workshops wɔ schools ni nyinaa wɔn hyɛ ase
na ha no yɛde ano na yɛde yɛ no bibi pepe bia wobɛtwerɛ na report ni nyinaa wɔ hɔ sɛ na sɛ na sɛ but so wokɔ school hɔ it's no different from school I'm called the class 1 a classroom and competitive teacher never cast our brown none of the teacher because brown oko and faculty they make say what most started DHS no na just say a boa nkwada no moment to ye bibi yes so mission bibi kwa wo bibi poche me to me but then no it needs equipment say we hear machines out the way normal we hear labs we hear workshops without the laboratories and the workshop no any two poor person and here into one year ne mfaso bi ama ho as far as I'm concerned
say yehwe enne adehyiam sedie esi kwa kam ye se emfa ahoto emrete memufo na emma yadesua nhyehyɛ no nso enhye da enya ahoto nya nika fa sedie omei adesuasem esi eko owura Anis Hafa enso ekyerɛ se yehwe yadesua nsɛm de kam ye se ankoyi na yadia ebu abem.
Sometimes we even think that the situation is worse now than what it was in the beginning. Until we are back to square one. But it's not too late. So, we share, say, maybe I'm where I learned to be a teacher, in California. Schools are not much workshops or and as a super social Casabi Krana, what are over social Profu, social French, one more labs with the audiovisual equipment. Into Casana, woman can what here. Now, because you see what they are doing with what they are saying. When you say stand up, you see someone standing up, move to the door. You see them moving to the door, pick something up. You can see them picking something up. And no boy, you see your language, you know.
In Kankasa Shedia, if you eba enia, enya chinije, esanse, adisua pa, enedi o mainuni futropa eba.
Because training this or a Mampusi area or cotton. Sasawa is growing everywhere. But at the classroom, near copying those two poppers and forget. Meanwhile, we can use the cotton to produce textiles and then make our own underwear, our own singlet. Ladies, sabi ma chima, tampons near the we can produce all that. And then it's education, and it's all along it's all on science. If you look at tropical juices, make us a coconut, you defeat Thailand and some of their Netherlands and some of their we can produce all these things. So the time has come where education has to be for production.
Enti se enfie miensa o se enfie na ni nyina ye enhyehyɛ ahodo a yɛde bɛto akwan mu. Sabio ɛwɔ sɛdeɛ obi atimi sua adeɛ fa. Abro kasemo ye kano fast learners and ye be average learners obi o a o kire na de na wate ase obi so o a yesa onya etimo kakra
si ehwe de ekoso nne ya aso ye betinya ka se oman adesua enhyehyɛ se de esi kono e de oman ni futuro pa anasa ejapade pa no aso edi si ho ama oman na me ho dwumedi e besa ba okwan mu na wotwe se ka me ho e wo dwumedi ka ba show Show.